Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. Darling.
Has this ever happened to you? Your day is gone and then your skin is not moisture anymore, and then I'm having a panic attack for no reason. Oh, my skin is not so pretty anymore. Oh no, don't look at me. No, I'm crying suddenly. Why am I crying? I don't know why I'm crying. Oh, I'm late right now. Why am I late? I don't know. It's alright. We have this for you. This is called Nozzle Lotion White Acid. It has SPF and moisturizing. Is good for your skin and your makeup daily. And laki kau takkan marah kau. Okay, did you guys enjoy that? I was a little bit scared. It was me the whole day, every single time during college time. Yeah, masa tu I selalu lambat. I'm not a morning person. Yes, I'm not a morning person. Kalau bangun pergi kelas, I memang agak selalu lambat. I akan mandi cepat, I akan siap cepat. Kadang-kadang I pakai macam ni je, I macam lantak pi dengan tak pakai SPF nya. I pergi kelas dengan muka macam ni, tudung macam ni, like literally tudung macam ni, tak ada pin, tak ada apa. I just gitu je, so jalan pergi kelas. I akan bersiapkan dalam kelas ataupun I tak siap at all. I nak buat makeup tutorial, or maybe not really makeup tutorial lah, tapi benda ni macam like makeup diri I, macam mana I makeup hari-hari. Because a lot of people ask me, how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup. Macam like everyday makeup meaning I pergi keluar dating ke, pergi beli barang dapur ke, pergi shopping apa ke, benda-benda macam tu lah keluar. Macam mana I pakai apa makeup during rushing. Kalau I tengah rushing, I tengah lambat ke apa benda ke, I akan buat makeup macam tu lah. So I akan ajar macam mana yang paling senang, yang paling like chill, you know. But I'm using a new product that I got. This is from Nozzle. It's a lotion. It's a whitening lotion. But whitening lotion ni dia ada SPF, which is good. Kita perlukan SPF. Dalam time-time rushing, kita perlukan benda ni. Kita tak payah nak macam mana, habis mandi semua benda tu kena pakai. Kita kena pakai apa? Toner. Some people pakai toner, some people tak pakai toner. Some people lepas cuci muka, dia terus pakai essence and serums and moisturizer and of course SPF. Anything of SPF. Tapi time macam ni, kalau kita tengah lambat, takkan kita nak macam pakai semua produk tu petak dia dekat muka kita tu, tak kan? Okay, so kalau I akan lepas mandi dan lepas cuci muka, I akan pep muka, pap dengan tuala, lepas pakai baju dan I akan pakai I punya serum. This is mine. I pakai Ordinary Niacinamide 10% zinc and plus kita tak payah nak pakai moisturizer. Benda ni dah ada moisturizer dah. Kita tak payah nak fikir alah dia kena pakai serum, mesti dah kena pakai moisturizer baru boleh pakai foundation kan. Tak payah. Benda ni dah cukup dah. Semuanya dah ada. Dah ada SPF, dah ada moisturizer, dia dah ada semua benda. So tak payah nak fikir nak macam alah rushing ni I have to put everything on my face. No. Ni dah cukup dah actually. Ni dah cukup. Lotion ni sangat membantu. Dia tak buat kulit I rasa kering. Memang okey. Okay, selain pada lotion ni pakai di muka, lotion ni boleh pakai dekat tangan or mana-mana anggota badan because it's perfect for any kind of body part. Tangan I ni jenis sunburn. Nampak tak? Dia sebenarnya sunburn. Kalau bahagian sini dia burn lah, nampak lah burn because I tak pakai SPF dulu. And then it's getting old. Boleh nampak tangan I dah tua sikit, tapi tak apa. I start lambat pakai SPF. It's okay. It's never too late. When you wear this, dia dah ada SPF tau. So dia boleh, at the same time dia boleh cover up your burners, skin burn yang kena sunburn tu. Bukan gelap, bukan kulit you dah gelap, originally gelap, bukan. Dia macam sesuai untuk kita kena sunburn. Sebab dia ada aloe vera. Aloe vera is repairing your damaged skin from sunburn. education. Right now, I'm going to show you how. Okay, now. Enough babble. Sekarang ni, I nak tunjuk macam mana I pakai produk ni during rushing hour. Tapi I takkan buat rushing lah. Because I'm not going anywhere. I duduk rumah je. Biasanya I. So, this slide. Hi, welcome to my face. Close up. Ignore this. Please ignore it. I don't. Just, we are going to take this nozzle whitening accent. We're going to take it with a small 2 dots on the finger. This is very moisturizing. I tengok muka I kat sini tau. Okay. Is it right there? I don't know. I cannot see myself. Okay. I ni bukan ni expert tau. So, benda ni macam ada yang apa yang pakai. So, this is it. Alright? I suka, kalau I rushing, I suka pakai powder. Okay? I suka pakai powder because rushing. Okay? So, what I do is, I put it under my eye. I pat it. Okay? Pat. Okay. Oh, wow. See? Dia jadi lain. Nozzle whitening ni memang sangat-sangat bagus. Dia memang moisturizing the skin. I don't have to wear my moisturizing cream or anything. Benda ni, lotion ni dah membantu I dah. Dia dah buat I punya powder nampak macam foundation. So, I don't have to wear foundation when I'm brushing. Next step. Eyebrows. Okay? Walaupun eyebrows I dah nak cakap tebal, tapi still I kena beruskan dia. Sen dia, kena sikat dia. Okay, sebelum kita keluar, kita kena kembaskan rambut dia. Sikat dia sampai cantik, bagi rata. Alright. Walaupun dia tak nampak macam ni sangat, tapi tak apa, I ada trick. So bear with me. Kita ambil eyeshadow colour ni. Ni Eleanto Code B118 Mono eyeshadow. Nampak tak? Kita ambil fluffy brush macam ni. Dia ambil kat Shopee ni. Nampak? Brush dia ni. Ini dah pakai. Tadi aku nak basuh. Don't judge me. I will do this. Dia mata. Angkat kuning. Lagi mata sepat. Pejam mata, angkat kuning. Okay? Pejam mata, angkat kuning. Pejam mata, angkat kuning. So, hidung dia dari tepi bawa ke tengah. Okay? Kita buat kita punya eyelid. Buat macam kita ada eyelid. Ini like memang basic everyday eye. Kalau ada macam sikit tapi ada same time dia lambat. Ini je lah. Inilah dia. And then mascara. My way of wearing mascara is I clip first. I clip my lashes first. I ambil pakai mascara Hypercurl, tapi this one is the easy wash punya. Ni dia bukan waterproof lah, so it's easy to take it off for solat and kind of event. Pandang straight ke cermin kat bawah ni, kat roots ni, hidung. Buka mata besar, jangan besar sangat, macam tu lah. Pandai-pandai lah, kita buat banyak kali. Sedap. Beza tak? Nampak tak? Tengok check eye. This is what I do every day. I make yang waterproof punya. Kalau I rasa macam like stuff. This one is the waterproof punya. Same type, Hypercurl juga. Alright. What I do is I put it again as my second coat of mascara, right? After that, what is left on this one, I bawa kat bawah. Tapi tak banyak. Kita nak banyak sangat. And then I brush on my eyebrow. This is how I do it. Sebelum macam lambat lah sebenarnya. So you see that beza, and this one is a bit dramatic sikit lah. Macam tu. Daripada I, memandangkan kita ni tengah COVID, so kita keluar pakai mask kan. Sometimes I akan pakai Vaseline dekat bibir I, tapi hari ni kita jalan sikit lah. Let's see. This one is not the matte one, tapi I suka pakai. Tapi kalau nak pakai mask, dia kena lah pakai yang matte ni kan. But I don't want to. Saya tak sikit. Does the job. Now, by the way, this is ColourPop Ultra Second Lip Code Eco Pack. Okay, ColourPop belum keluar. Laki dah panggil kat dalam kereta, dah menjerit macam gila. Okay. So, okay, ni Rimmel. So this is my makeup. Everyday makeup, I nak keluar macam ni lah. Untuk I akan pakai all black and then makeup macam ni. So there you go. I hope you guys enjoy my video. I hope you guys enjoy how I do my makeup. Ini simple je. This one is a simple makeup for me. So if you guys like it, then thank you. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I'm bukannya professional. I'm not a professional makeup, so bear with me. I makeup macam mana I rasa okay yang I belajar dekat Instagram, TikTok ke mana-mana, YouTube. I selalunya belajar dekat situ. I belajar sendiri, I buat sendiri. I tengok macam mana diorang buat, I buat sendiri. So I tak professional makeup. So that's it you guys. That's for today watching. Thank you for staying here this long. Thank you for accepting me who I am. You know, I'm not that interested. I'm not that interesting, but I like doing this. I like doing this. So, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. For the new subscriber, hello. My name is Wani. I'm from Kuala Lumpur. I'm an ordinary girl person. Yeah, enjoy my video. Thank you.